This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a PDF document into a Word document. In this folder right here I have a PDF file. I'm going to double click on it. It's a PDF file. I'm going to close the PDF file. The way that you would convert this into a Word document, there's a couple different ways. I'll show you a couple different ways. One way is to right click on the file, and then you would go down to open with, and you would look for a word in here, which you probably won't see it. It's not on mine. You'll go down and select choose another app at the very bottom. If you don't see it in here, you can click on more apps, and then you scroll down until where you find it. There it is right there. Another way, I'm not going to use that way, but that you can use that way. Another way to do it is to, it might be easier, it's the way that I would do it. I'm on Windows 10 here. I'm going to click on my search bar here at the bottom, and I'm going to type Word. I'm going to open the Word app. I'm going to minimize the Word app, and then I'll take my PDF, I will left click and drag it down to the Word app. Then I'll just drop it in here. Then you will get a warning saying that Word will now convert your PDF, and it may take a while. A lot of times it does take a while to convert it, but you just click OK. Now Word has converted it. Now to edit this document, you need to click on this Enable Editing up here at the top. It gives you a warning here. Click on Enable Editing. Click OK. It'll take it a second to convert again. Now it basically is a Word document now. And now you can go in, you can edit it, and you can save it as either a Word document or back to a PDF. The way you would do that is to go up to File, down to Save As. Right here it's giving me an option to save it as a PDF, to save the changes that I did. To save it as a Word document, I'll click on Save As. And you see here it's got my original file name here, but it's going to save it as a Word document. But you could change that here by this drop down menu. I could resave it as a PDF. Right there's PDF. Or I could just go with the Word doc here. I'll click Save. It doesn't override your original file. There's my original PDF. I'm going to close this Word application, and then I'll double click on what I just saved. See, now it's a Word file. But I still got my original PDF here too. Like I said, you can save it as a PDF. All you got to do is, if you want to resave it as a PDF, just go to File, down to, well, right there it's giving you an option to save as a PDF. It's asking me which folder to save it in. I'm going to change the file name. I'll put just a few 2's in front of it. Save. Now it might take it a little bit to convert it back to a PDF. Now I will close Word. There's my PDF with a bunch of 2's in front of it. And there it is right there. And there's the changes that I made right here. So it resaved it as a PDF. That's it. Thanks for watching.